Hey guys, you are at Easy Riders Newport Beach booth here at Electrify, and we are showing off several of our bikes today. We are Okai distributor, and here we have our Traverse. This is our beach cruiser that we recommend for everyone. With this particular bike, you're going to have a lock here on the front panel where we have the battery. You have hydraulic brakes here. We have a hub motor, 700 watt.
I'll check it here, Dan. Sorry.
Battery will get you about 50 miles on one charge of battery. We also have the pedal assist here on this bike. Right now we're giving some great prices on our new model. This is our 70 that we have. Also, we have gotten rid of that LED monitor up front. This is your phone. It goes right here. And yeah, you connect your phone and you are looking at your phone the whole time. You can use GPS, you can use whatever you want. Absolutely. That is Okai.
This is a nice
Yeah, this one here is another one of our commuter bikes. This is our newer model. Real sleek design up here, not a lot going on, so we don't have like a lot of stuff up here where it's really smooth and easy. Tires, also hydraulic brakes here, both here. Right here is your throttle, so you have that easy throttle to get to there. Quick little button here, turning on and off. Kind of hard to see in the sun today, but we also have a key that goes with it. It would be a key fob that turns your bike on and off. Yep, absolutely.
Does this one have a replaceable battery?
So this one has a replaceable battery, so your little battery is going on right here. Usually those batteries last about 3 to 5 years, depending on how much of the battery you use.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're not really replacing it too much. Batteries run about $300. So Okai really wants these batteries to last, and so they usually last between 3 and 5 years.
What kind of warranty can you expect from Okai?
So Okai is giving 1-year warranty, bumper to bumper, and then they do back the product. So over at our shop, we are authorized Okai dealers. So you would come and see us. You got anything going on with your bike, come see us. We will take care of it for you for your first year. Even after that, we will help you out with getting parts or whatever you need with that.
Awesome. It's good that you have a place to get it serviced.
Yes, absolutely.
And then you got some scooters too.
And then we got our scooters over here. Yeah. So these are our scooters. So we have about our models, we have a variety of them. We have 5 here today. We got a couple that are being charged right now. This one here is our 30. A lot of the kids, college kids like these. They are foldable. I'm going to go ahead and just move this one out of the way for a second. So if they're living in the dorm, they're riding in campus, real easy, flexible, folds down, not too heavy. I mean, this one weighs about, I think we're looking at about 30 pounds, this one is. Depending on which model it is, we have a 10 that's a little bit lighter than that. That's being charged right now, but looks very similar to this one. So this here will give you a battery life of about, let's see, the range on this one is going to be 50 miles on a battery. So that's going to last you pretty. These go about 15 to 20 miles an hour, actually. Yeah. So yeah, they cook along.
And it looks like it has like a front LED strip.
Yes. So that will tell you when you turn it on. Let me go ahead and turn this on for you. So when you turn it on, you're going to see that your bike is on. It also is a battery indicator too. So you're going to also see as the charge is going down, see right here, you can kind of see that it's not all the way to the top. So it's going to tell you your charge too.
That's really cool.
Yeah.
It's intuitive, and I see there's a front light.
There's a front light here. We have a reflector. You also have a rear light here. You can actually see this one on here.
Nice.
So if you're riding around at night, they're going to see you in that too.
That's really awesome.
Yeah. This one here, this is our other model that we have. This one actually has little turn signals. So we'll turn that. Yeah, do you see the little blinkers? Yeah, so that one has a little blinker here. if you're turning. So I like that one. But the thing about this one is it also has some little shocks in the back there.
And you can adjust them, I see. Soft,
You sure can.
harder.
You can do soft, hard, yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so if you can actually take this thing, because the tires are a little bit bigger, a little more beefier, you can actually take it on trails, so biking trails, yeah. So those are our scooters. We also have a sit-down scooter, so if you're, yeah, how about this one?
It's kind of cool.
I'm going to steal this scooter right here, guys. Sorry about that.
I was making sure it didn't fall.
Oh, yeah, right? So here's our little commuter scooter. This one doesn't go very fast. This is a nice big seat here, but this one here will turn this little guy on. This one only goes about 15 miles an hour. But if you really didn't want if you didn't want the stand-up scooter, you actually got the little sit-down one.
That one's actually pretty mellow. Does it have any attachments or features?
This one's it doesn't really have any attachments on this one. This one's pretty basic here. It does, if you see here, you do have a headlight though. So you do have a headlight and you do have your tail lights here. You have your bell.
I could see this one having like a little basket.
Yeah, so you can, okay, so this one here, this model here, sorry about that, I did forget that, yes, you can have a basket attachment. Those are at Okai. You can get those off, those are our accessory line. So yes, it does come with a basket.
Yeah, it looks fun.
Yeah, it is fun. And the seat is adjustable, can go up and down.
And then the
battery, yep, battery's in here. So you would just put your little key in there, and there you have your battery.
This is all waterproof, or?
This is, the battery itself is, yes.
Okay. That's nice.
Yeah, and it's just a regular 110 outlet in your.
How long does it take to charge?
So any of these, so it really depends. If your battery is on 0, it's going to take about 2 hours to charge. Yeah, to get it back up again.
It's not bad though.
No, not really. I mean, especially if you just plug it in at night. Like you come home, plug it in at night, in the morning you're ready to go.
Yeah, 50 miles of range. I mean, you're looking at 30 to 50 mile range,
Yes.
depending on how you're riding.
Right, exactly.
2 hours of charge
Exactly.
time. That's nothing.
Yeah.
Is there anything else we missed, or
Um,
you should just go down to the local shop and check?
Yes, absolutely. Easy Rider is just right here in Newport. Yep.
Awesome. Well, I'm gonna hop on one and get some extra footage.
Yeah, that sounds good.
So yeah, be sure to check you guys out. Do you guys have any social handles?
Yes, we do. We are on Instagram and Facebook, right at Easy Riders Newport Beach, and we also have a website that you can go to and check a lot of these models out. We're going to be. We always add new models, new scooters, and everything. It's changing every day at the website. So we are at easyridersnewportbeach.com.
Perfect. Well, thanks. It's been nice meeting you.
Yes, thank you so much.
You're welcome.